La 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 la. You won't break my soul. Oh, you won't break my soul. Oh, you won't break my soul. You won't break my soul. I tell everybody, everybody, everybody. Oh, child. Ooh. Never mind. Ooh, we're gonna let Beyonce have that. Beyonce, get it, girl. I'll leave that to Beyonce. And you got to say the say, because you know she got the little apostrophe over the E. That means you got to say it with the say. That's what that means. It's French. It's French Creole. Anyhow. And anyway, y'all. Hey, you guys. Retro Babe Saves, welcome back to the channel. You guys, I am here to give you the clearance list for Dollar General. Dollar General is having a clearance event August 19th, Friday, through August the 21st, which is a Sunday. But first, you guys, I'm doing a quick little recipe. We're making some s'mores dip, you guys, because a lot of times I do bring you freebies. I bring you national days. And last week was National S'mores Day. Did y'all know that there was a National S'mores Day? And they actually had a National S'mores Week. They celebrated National S'mores Week at Hershey's Park. And what is that? Hershey, Pennsylvania, which I did not know that. Didn't know there was a Hershey Park, honey. You telling me there's a place they have candy all the time? They have a whole park with roller coaster rides and treats and all types of things. They have shopping and okay. So I didn't know that, but anywho, in anyway, honey. And there was had a week-long event, and you were able to get s'mores shakes, s'mores cookies, and dip, and all types of things. The original way that you make s'mores, baby, I had no idea. Okay, but anyway, y'all. So that was the National Day. There was also a National Hip Hop Day. You guys know I am an old hand, honey. I love my old school hip hop. So maybe I'll come back on a little later and we'll play a little hip hop, trying to catch my watch hours. But anyway, you guys came for the clearance event. Stay tuned to that. Give me about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, first up, you guys. Okay, like I said, we're making s'mores. We are making a s'mores dip, and you only need 3 little ingredients, you guys. You need the Hershey, the Nestle's, or any milk chocolate chips, or you could do the semi-sweet. To me, I felt like the milk chocolate would be your best bet. Get them nice and sweet. I have ate half of the bag. Do not judge me. Mind your business. Okay, you need the graham crackers, and of course you need your marshmallows. Alright, you guys, so first up, you have to have already poured a few. And they're calling for a cast iron pan. I just had a little baking, the Anchor Hawking little pie plate. I already had one of those, and I'm not making a large amount, so I just decided to bake it in this. I lined it because I'm not sure how that's going to stick, and I don't want to mess up my little pie plates. I love these. These are some vintage pie plates. So I wanted to keep those intact and not ruined. So I did line it, like I said. Okay, and also calling for a little coating of the pan. So I put a little butter, just a little butter drizzle at the bottom. Okay, first up, like I said, I had already started. I said, let me get on to show you guys a real quick and easy little recipe. Okay, so baby boy one, twin boy one's going to help me, my trusty assistant. You guys remember my trusty assistant? Manna Black, not Vanna White, but Manna Black. From the giveaway video when we did the wine day video. My trusty assistant would be pouring the Nestle's chips. Go ahead, baby boy. You had a good job. Good job. Good job, baby. Got them all? Okay. Go ahead and spread those out. Try to layer them all over. Hit the edges too, shook. That looks good, baby. Thank you. Would have been more. Mommy had ate half the bag. But you know how it goes. Alright, you guys. Alright, there was a little more at the bottom. Sure. See if we can get those out. It's stuck to the bottom. I had them up here on this heat. And you have to preheat your oven, you guys, to 450. You're going to preheat that oven to 450. Like I said, you can. It's calling for a cast iron skillet. You can use a pie plate. Give that to Mom so I can throw the trash. Thank you, baby. Okay. We got our chocolate chips, and then we just layer it with our marshmallows that are sticking as well. Open this bag for Mom. That bag. Oh, they're definitely sticking. It's hot in Mississippi, honey, baby. Ooh-wee. Open that, hold the bag. Sure. Hold it tight, hold it tight. Honey, I'm doing 2 at a time because they're sticky. Sticky icky. Oh, man. Thank you. Thank you. He's trying to help Mom out. I'm going so slow. Y'all know my battery never lasts either. Maybe this should have been a whole separate video. Those look good. You're doing an awesome job, babe. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Look at that one. He's trying to jump out the pan. That's the first one I'm going to eat, too. They're all sticky. Honey, that's why you don't do this live. Okay, let's fill in the gaps. So we need maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it, Sugar. Okay, we need maybe, let's do this. Let's do it this way. Okay, oh, they're sticky. Okay, put some there. Let's fill in this little hole right here. And our hands are clean, and if they weren't, this is my home. Me and my churn, we're eating this. Me and my babies. We're a very clean house. They say I won't say what they say I am. They say I nag. Try to keep it clean. Mama said, even if it's a small thing, if you live in tuna can, honey, if you live in a mansion, keep it clean, keep it clean, keep it clean. Okay. Anywho, anyway, all right, y'all. So, of course, like I said, you need a cast iron skillet, or you can use a little pie plate, God. Don't gotta be super fancy, honey. Okay, we did layer this with a little drizzle of butter at the bottom. We did our chocolate chips was the first layer, and of course the marshmallows. Preheat your oven to 350. Okay, woo, that heat. Oh boy. $350. Okay. Woo. Get that going. It calls for 5 minutes. By the time I finish with the clearance event list, that should be ready. Let's move this broccoli. Oh yeah, that's hot. You can tell that's it. I was defrosting this, you guys, to go with the chicken Alfredo. All right, here are a few Green Dot Home items that is on the list. Baby boy, could you open these for Mom? Let's go ahead and open the graham crackers and layer it on this pan. Little vintage plate. I've been pulling out all my items. It's hot, a little hot, wasn't it? It was that for 50. Got this thing hot. Better hurry. There's candies back here too. Okay, let's get to the clearance event, you guys. Sorry. Still with me. We're just making s'mores dip. Okay, here are the items for the clearance event. I will show this again live. I'll show the list live. try to get some watch hours, and also to let you guys who are not familiar with the channel give you a chance to review the list. Okay, so first up on the clearance event, you guys, like I said, it is Friday, just one pack of that, baby boy, August the 19th through Sunday, August the 21st. You're going to be taking an additional, open that up and layer those. You're going to be taking an additional 50% off, you guys, on these items. Some items have already been marked down, so you're going to take that additional 50% off of those. All items that are regular price, you're going to only take that 50% off. Okay. All right. So first up is summer barbecue. It is currently at 70% off. You're going to take another 50% off of that. That includes, guys, a lot of the popsicles, the hint water, the Gatorade sticks, some espresso coffees. It's a whole list. I will put those in the comments down below. I know I promised you guys before. I will have that on this video. On this one, not my 70% off barbecue. I will have it on this video, I promise, before the day is out. Alright, guys, also select antibacterial wipes and hand sanitizers. I will list those below as well. Some of the Wipeout Ultra Clean, the Rexall products. I will list those and some masks. I will list those in the comments as well. Okay. It's not much, you guys. I wish it was more of the POG or the POG and clearance aisle was included. It's not included this time. If that's what you guys are looking for, so lady, set it here, baby boy. Thank you. Only did 4. Do another. Y'all know y'all agreed to do another. Do another pack. Do one more pack, Shook. Oh yeah, definitely, baby. I'll eat that. Do one more pack. The 6 packs in there. Okay, sorry guys. 50% off regular items only. These are not marked down right now. They just came off of a sale. They're going on a sale again. Okay, the red dot home, green dot home. Get the door, that's Mr. Lou. The red dot home, the green dot home. That includes your bedding, the rugs, home decor, some dinnerware, some baskets. Just get those items from him. The dinnerware, baskets, and the candles are not included, you guys. There's the only exclusion. The candles are definitely not included. All right, and then you have some of the Studio Selects and Wild Tropic Sun Care. That would be 50% off. You have your your pink square swim and summer toys. I know you guys can't read my scribble scrap. I'll write all this in the comments down below. But the pink square swim and summer toys, some select lawn and garden items. There's always exclusion, guys, like the propane, the charcoal, the coolers. Okay, potting soil. So, and I'll make the complete list on that as well. So, again, okay, clearance event. The 19th through the 21st, additional off summer barbecue, which is at 70. Antibacterial wipes and hand sanitizers. Spring and summer home, which includes your red and green dot. Studio Select and Wild Tropic Sun Care. Pink square swim and summer toys. Select lawn and garden. Stop sneaking those graham crackers. Get him. He snuck 2 and ran off. Okay, there are exclusions on that. All right, you guys, while I have you, some people are saying, take a check. Get those s'mores. Some people are saying that they're still looking for the purple